carpet, I should say, but you know what? This is Roadshow, and you're not here to see movies, you're here to see cars. And that I have 3 beautiful custom 2018 Nissan Leafs based on and inspired by characters in the movie. Let's take a look. First up, Mindy Kaling's Mrs. Who. Mrs. Who wears bright, bold colors, and you can see there's a beautiful wrap on the car. And we'll talk a little bit about the screens in a second. Up next, we have Oprah Winfrey's amazing Mrs. Witch. Mrs. Witch has hoops on her gray metallic dress, and you can see custom fabrication done by Vehicle Effects in Burbank, California, in collaboration with Nissan to make that happen. Amazing. And last but certainly not least, Mrs. What's-It, played by Reese Witherspoon. Her dress looks like rose petals, white roses, red hair. She's got the whole package going on, and you can see this Nissan Leaf has the exact same thing happening. But there's one thing about these cars that is really special, and that is these windows. So these windows are actually capacitive touchscreens. So you can see when I touch them, it not only makes this car react, but the other 2 cars as well. It's a really cool application. The team at Symmetry Labs worked really hard on this and used a capacitive film to make this happen. Now, these cars aren't modified the way that Nissan's Last Jedi cars were, but that's honestly okay because the real star here are these amazing capacitive touchscreens in the windows. I've got a movie to catch, so why don't you drop your favorite car down in the comments and make sure to check out CNET.com for a little more information about those touchscreens. See you in a test track.